Tell him.
Papa.
Go ahead, tell him again.
Bye, Papa.
What did you tell him to get you?
Meatball.
He's getting you meatballs?
Yeah.
What else?
Daddy.
What?
Daddy. Dad.
You saying bye to Papa?
Bye, Papa.
Tell him to get you something. Tell him to bring us an ice cream ball.
Good. I can meatball. Okay, Papa.
Okay, Papa, can he hear you? Say, Papa, do you hear me? Papa, don't forget the meatball. Jim, don't drive that car.